Bro, y'all are so annoying.
Guys, welcome to Summon Boys stream.
How are you not dead? So you're saying if I don't... So you're saying if I don't pump you in the head, you're not dead?
Because honestly, this dude...
Bro, how do you donate to me, bro? They don't even know my PayPal.
Like, he does a lot.
I don't even have one, actually. Oh, I suck. Oh, please, 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 please. You Marasaka. You Marasaka.
Emotional damage.
Remember when we spawned camp?
Bro. I never did that. I never did that, you know. Okay. So there's no point, cause. Bruh, y'all got sent back. What? At least I can get my RPG.
You don't even have an RPG.
RPG. Golden pump. What else?
Oh, bro, you cannot. If I get a sniper rifle, I will snipe you through windows. It's like unfair at that point. How do you already have that much gold?
Yeah, I know
got a gold pump and all that. I just walk in and go boom.
That's what I thought. Don't come to my house again, boy.
Really? We about to get at your squad now, boy. We about to get in your squad now.
I got an RPG. What you gonna do about that? Bro, okay, I was just kidding.
I have an MK7. What are you gonna do about that?
I'll just see MJ. I'm lagging.
I have an MK7. What are you gonna do about that?
I'm out. I'm leaving.
What are you gonna
That's
do
what I'm
about that?
One more hit. Let's go, bro. Thank you for the kill.
Where the heck is he? Can't be far.
How are you not dead, bro? So you're saying I missed all my shots?
An RPG, listen, an RPG won't just kill me on.
Yeah, I know, but I swear I. Yeah, I know. Damn!
Dude, you're not cool with your RPG. That's not cool, bro.
I know. I'm so cool. What the frick?
Stop using the RPG like that.
No,
like
you wanna camp me. You wanna camp me.
We didn't. We're stop camping you. Now you're camping us.
Yeah. Teleported.
We're not camping you anymore. We can. We literally just. But we're not.
Hold on, wait. Let me get an MK7 real quick. I need one.
Dude, you can't get all of these weapons.
Okay, thanks for the MK7. Okay, I'm getting it out. Don't come up here. Don't.
As he assaults me. I did 137 to him. I did 137. He's low as frick. Now he's full health.
Oh, damn, I'm dead. Ooh. Okay, I'm out.
Dude,
please.
you're lucky. You're lucky, freaking. You're freaking lucky.
I'm not lucky. I'm just good.
Yes, you are.
You know?
You have a golden scar, an RPG, golden pump, and now you have an MK7.
What you about to do with that? What you about to do about that? I can't answer you.
I know it is.
Hey, chill.
What you about to do about that?
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm lagging, bro. I'm lagging. No, I'm lagging. Drew, why do you have a sniper? You can't snipe.
I can snipe.
Dude, he's low.
Oh, that was a flick.
He's low. He's weak. Get him.
I did a 100 pump.
Dang it, bro. I swear I shot him. You was about to die.
I head pumped you, bro. Don't even.
Camper. Don't
I'm a camper.
Oh, I did 100 to the head.
Who said that? I'm not.
Man, this kid.
Oh no, please, I got stuck.
Man, this kid.
I'm lagging. What was that?
Yeah, no you're not. Now he's gonna use his freaking RPG. Now he's gonna use his freaking. Yeah,
I'm lagging, bro.
You're not lagging.
No, you be quiet. No,
Good internet.
check on the stream. Check on the stream, bro. I swear I was.
Maybe it's because you're trying to stream. You know that could use some internet.
Oh, maybe. Okay, never mind. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe because streaming actually takes some internet.
Oh,
So
dang.
nice feet.
Thanks for the compliment. I'm dead.
Too true. Okay, I was about to say, if you did not body him, we were gonna have some problems.
I'm not actually. Oh, what the frick? He's behind me. He's got a minigun.
He's got a minigun. He's got a minigun. Oh my god, he has a minigun.
Where's this man at? Okay, there he is. He jumped.
You better get away before you die.
His stupid RPG. Can you stop using an RPG?
No. Ow.
He's one shot.
My bad. Bro, there's two
Yeah, you
people
are.
at me. What am I supposed to do?
The only thing that you only use an RPG to do that.
I do not only use an RPG. Okay,
He's low,
maybe
he's
I
low,
do.
he's low.
need it.
He's one shot. He's one
Yeah,
shot.
you guys get away. At least I'm gonna kill Drew.
Dude, can you stop using custom RPG?
Bro, what am I supposed to do? Bro, there's two people on me. I can't do anything whenever there's two people on me.
You can do something
I'm
other
not
than using
good,
an
bro.
RPG.
I'm not
Like,
good.
use an MK7. Spam with an MK7.
I'm
instead
not
of spamming
good.
with
Did
an
you
RPG.
hear me?
You're bad. Shut up, kid.
Oh, dang.
Like, you're bad at the game.
Yeah,
You're
that's
bad.
what I said. That's what I said. I'm not good.
So you
I'm
could
bad.
MK7 spam because that's honestly a better idea.
Dude, that does not do anything. What if I can't hit my shots?
Oh yeah, you can't hit your shots all right. Use an RPG.
Where you at?
I have
There you
a 100 balloon gun. You only have an RPG! You're bad at this game. You're so bad.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
You're actually bad.
Bro.
No. Rush him. Stay together. If he wants to use a freaking RPG.
So annoying, bro.
Alright, now if he shoots an RPG, just dodge it. It's that simple. Alright, he's low. He's weak. Yep, weak. He's bad. Bad game. Bad. You can't even kill him!
Bro, I'm trying to. He has spawn. He has freaking. Dude, you know what freaking spawn protection is, huh?
Yeah, and?
Okay, so I can't
and
shoot
you're
him
bad.
while that. Yeah,
Okay,
shut
but
up,
still,
bro.
I lasered you. Shut up. You could use an RPG. Shut up.
Bro, shut up, bro. You're so
Stop
annoying,
talking.
bro.
Freaking killed himself, bro. Honestly, what are you, emo?
God, at least I have a dad, bro. You don't have a dad, so
Hey,
shut
bro,
up.
show me your barcode.
Bro, my dad abused my mom.
Mm-hmm.
My dad
He left you,
abused
so
my
that way
mom.
you don't have a dad.
No. We left my dad. Me and my mom left my dad because my dad abused my mom.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, you just use an RPG.
Because he wants to be annoying.
You're bad!
Hmm.
He's gonna use an RPG, watch out.
What, so he can roast me?
Bad. Like, you only use an RPG, how are you losing? How?
Dodging? You can't hit your shots? Dodging?
If you, just so you know, you're using, okay, I'm just gonna dodge.
Best sniper in the city, baby!
How? I'm 3 feet away! I just got 1,000 points. I just got 1,000 points. Oh. Drew, come over here. No, look around this wall. Check the wall. You see anything? Maybe I already took it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I already took it. You're bad. You're bad. Drew, I have 1,500 coins. I'm gonna go buy some stuff. Drew, I'm gonna get both of us an RPG. I'm gonna get both of us an RPG. Drew, I'm gonna get both of us an RPG. Right now. Drew, I'm gonna give you an RPG. Use it, use it, use it, use it. Drew! Drew! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Alright, we both have RPGs now. Only use RPGs since he wants to. Hit him for 100. Yeah, how do you like it? Yeah. How do you like it? How do you like it, huh? Huh? The RPG. Alright, he knocked me, he knocked me, he knocked me. Alright, if you can, don't only use an RPG. Once you hit him, like, probably try to, like, use a pump. How? How do I do that to you? Someone boy. How? How? Yeah, Rick. Alright, get on the tire! Hit him for 130. He can't do anything! He can't do anything! What's wrong? Like, what's wrong? You can't do anything now that we have that RPG. Bro can't do anything. Hit him for 100. He's one pump. How would he? Ooh, one shot. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So once you hit him with an RPG, use your pump. That's the strat. Hit him for 130. He's low, yeah, alright, res. It takes 5 seconds to res. Just res. Nah, it's all good, it's all good! It's all good! Right. Nah, you're dancing. Just cause you only get kills with an RPG. You're bad. What happened to your microphone, huh?
Can you hear us?
I don't think you can hear us.
Wait, no, you can hear us.
It doesn't want to talk. Well, come on, Jason.
Or unless you just died.
He's low. He's one shot. He's low. He's one shot. He's one shot. He's one shot. He's one shot. Oh, Drew. Okay. How are you letting him kill you, Drew?
Because
you said that you were
better
decent.
Than me. I am decent. But against someone who's...
got him. Respawn.
Only place? Nah. Okay, yeah. Who wants to go back to lobby or hub?
No lobby. Get bot. Dude, we can just grind up coins. Oh my gosh. He's in. Nice. And take the slurp fish. Take the slurp fish. Take the slurp fish. Take the. It will respawn. It will respawn soon. Yeah, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. He's mad. We're just gonna stay in here. He's mad. Oh, he's mad. He's mad. He's so mad. He's totally mad. He's totally mad. If you get hit, just use heals. Just use heals. Just use heals. He's going to die. You're bad. 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 You're bad.
No, keep it close. Keep it open. Keep it open for some reason. You're one shot. You get. I'm max health because of that. Fiery squad activate. Where's he at? Mid.
Alright, just don't get hit. Just don't get hit.
Ah, hit me pretty low. Hit me pretty low.
Alright, I got him. I got him. I got him.
Hey yo, everybody go to hub. Go to hub. Go to hub.
Yo, one sec. Let me get this one last. I'm gonna almost got 66 damage. Oh my god. Freaking wreck. Wreck. Freaking bot. You buy. If you're a bot, don't talk to me. You are all. Oh yeah.
Go back to hub, everybody. Hub.
Okay. Alright, what are we playing?
I don't know. Who should we join an island? Like a creative island? Like one of y'all?
How about some box fights?
What if we join this one right here? I don't know who this is.
This is
Whose
mine.
is this?
You don't wanna go in there. No, don't go in there. That's mine.
It's in the. Whoa.
Alright,
Oh my
let's
god, why
summon
is there so many
boys.
wieners in the air?
Boys.
Oh my god, why is it so sandy?
Dude, go back to lobby.
What is this island, bro?
Alright, what is?
Oh, I remember this.
Go back to lobby. We're in FFA box face. Hands on war.
Bro, why is there so many wieners in here?
Summon boy. It's been a long time since I actually got in a box fight with you. Let's see how this plays. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, good job. It's been a long time since I played with you. Drew, go back to hub. There we go.
Toshi, please use your microphone. Hello. Oh, tactical here. Let's go.
I messed up that edit.
Your turn, doggy kiss. Dog chat? Wait, what?
Dog? What are you? I can't tell a word that you're saying. Alright, so boy, I'm fighting, Drew. Don't third party or you're a bot. That's how it works. Okay, you're a bot. Who's always a bot at Fortnite?
You there? Hello, hello.
Come on, boy, can you talk? I don't think he can talk. Yeah, he can't talk.
Return to lobby, I guess.
No, don't return to lobby. Don't. We're gonna play some box fights.
How dare you do that to my stairs? Where are my stairs?
Dude got stared like a fish.
No! Hey, who wants to play some arena trios?
Ooh, me.
Let's go!
Finally.
You're dead if you get...
I was crouched, so when I jumped, it
Oh, return to lobby,
No, one more. No, I'm gonna clip him. I wanna clip him.
I'm gonna clip both of y'all with my little pickaxe.
No double teaming. No double teaming.
Oh, okay, shoot. But I have to at least do damage to both of y'all.
No. Well, if we're fighting each other, like. Oh, he already went to lobby. Alright, well, I guess I just clipped him then.
Wait. I was doing something.